Welcome to a sanctuary where raw industrial grit meets the pinnacle of high-end refinement. This isn't just a home, it's a $1 million architectural statement. Imagine crisp white brickwork, the cold strength of matte black steel, and light that dances through massive factory-style glass. We are stepping inside a space that redefines compact luxury, a masterclass in texture, height, and sophisticated curation. Prepare to see how a small footprint can deliver a massive, world-class experience. We begin at the threshold of modern innovation. The facade is a striking composition of textures. Pristine white painted brick serves as a canvas for the bold, geometric lines of matte black steel. Massive factory-style windows reflect the sky, hinting at the expansive volume hidden within this compact exterior. The entrance is a study in minimalism, featuring a heavy black metal door that promises total seclusion from the outside world. It is the perfect prologue to the luxury within. Inside, the volume explodes into a double-height living sanctuary. The walls, retained in their original white painted brick, provide an airy backdrop for the structural matte black beams that slice across the ceiling. A charcoal velvet sofa anchors the space, resting on seamless, polished light gray concrete. Sunlight pours through the black-framed glass, creating a high-contrast play of light and shadow that makes every designer detail feel like a piece of art. This is a gourmet's dream rendered in monochrome. The kitchen features seamless matte black cabinetry that seems to absorb the light, contrasted beautifully by a massive white marble waterfall island. Every appliance is integrated and invisible, maintaining the sleek, industrial-chic aesthetic. Professional-grade track lighting highlights the high-quality textures of the stone and brick, making this as much a social hub as it is a functional workspace. The mezzanine is the architectural heartbeat of the loft. A dramatic matte black steel staircase with floating oak treads leads you upward, offering a panoramic view of the living area below. This elevated platform is supported by thick, industrial beams, showcasing the house within a house concept. It bridges the gap between the social energy of the ground floor and the quiet intimacy of the upper level, a true feat of spatial engineering. Perched on the mezzanine, the master bedroom is a cloud of luxury. A king-sized bed draped in white linen sits against a backdrop of soft-textured white brick. The view from the bed looks out through the upper panes of the factory windows, offering a view of the stars from a position of total comfort. It is a space of serene minimalism, where the warmth of the wood flooring balances the cool, sharp lines of the black structural steel. The bathroom is a masterclass in high-contrast luxury. Hexagonal matte black tiles meet the signature white brick, creating a tactile and visual feast. A freestanding black soaking tub serves as the centerpiece, positioned under a designer rain shower. The brass and black fixtures glow under the soft, recessed lighting, transforming a functional room into a private gallery of wellness. It is a compact space that feels infinitely large through clever design. The exterior landscape is as curated as the interior. The front yard is a geometric arrangement of manicured green lawn and polished concrete paths. Black steel planters house architectural flora, creating a soft organic contrast against the white brick facade. At night, integrated uplighting washes the walls in a warm glow, emphasizing the height and the rhythmic placement of the black-framed windows. It is a sophisticated welcome to a superior home. The rooftop is the ultimate urban escape. A custom matte black steel pergola provides shade for a luxury lounge, complete with a modern fire pit for cool evenings. Glass railings ensure that the view remains unobstructed, allowing the white brick chimney and structural frames to frame the city skyline perfectly. It is a $1 million view from a private sanctuary, designed for hosting high-profile gatherings under the open sky. The home office is a sanctuary of productivity. A heavy oak desk with matte black steel legs sits perfectly positioned to catch the natural light from the factory windows. The white brick walls are lined with minimalist black shelving, creating an atmosphere that is both professional and inspiring. Here, the industrial-chic DNA provides a sense of solid, grounded energy, proving that luxury and work can coexist in a small, efficient footprint. The backyard is a secluded industrial courtyard. Polished concrete floors extend the interior aesthetic outside, bordered by white painted brick walls that ensure total privacy. A vertical garden climbs one wall, softened by the presence of a single designer bench. It is a quiet, contemplative space that feels like a hidden gallery, where the black steel accents provide a sharp, modern edge to the natural greenery. The $1 million contemporary loft is more than a residence, it is a blueprint for the future of luxury. Through the deliberate use of high-contrast materials and architectural transparency, it achieves a sense of grandeur that many larger estates fail to capture. We hope this journey through white brick and black steel has inspired your own design vision. True elegance is found in the details, and here, every detail is perfect.